Hello. Hello, hello,
Hello,
hello.
teacher.
Wow, hello. Good evening. Good evening, Jessie, and welcome to our class. For today, wow, are you still in your grandmother's house? Are you
No,
still?
I in
I
my
know.
grandma's house.
Oh, where are you right now? You're still in your grandmother's house?
Yes, my grandmother now.
Oh, your grandmother's house. Wow, I can see it. You still haven't have your pink, what do you call that, pink chair. I cannot see your pink chair. Okay, so before we start our lesson, Jessie, how are you today? How are you
Happy.
today? Happy?
I'm happy
Wow, that's very good to know. And
because I have a teddy.
oh, teddy bear. Wow, what color is your teddy bear?
It's brown,
It's brown.
but
Wow,
I
it's so
love it.
it has a crown. That's so cute. Can I see it? It has a crown. Wow, that's so cute. The
I
te-
like
I like it too. The teddy bear has a crown.
that. Blah.
Cute. I also have mine. I also have a teddy bear. Do you want to see it?
Yes, where your teeth.
Hello.
It's a toys or a real
It's
dog.
it's real dog. It's a real dog.
It's so funny.
It's a real dog.
It's real.
Huh?
It's real.
What? It's new dog? A real
Uh,
dog? Yes, it's real.
no. All the all, all the all the dog is real.
Yes, the dog is real.
Uh,
It's
it,
moving. Let me
it's
let me
real.
let me show you. It's real. Meow.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What is
He's a
dog?
boy.
Your
Yes,
dog is she or he?
he's a
Your dog
dog.
is she or he?
He is a
He?
he. Yes, he
He?
is a boy. Boy.
What's
He's a,
what's a what's
his,
he name?
his name is Timor.
Timo.
Yes, like this, Timor.
Timo.
Yeah, so funny, right?
First letter is first letter is my brother name.
Oh, your brother. What is your brother's name again?
Um, C, C,
T
C,
T.
C,
Huh?
C,
Huh?
T, T,
T
I, T, I,
T
T,
I.
I. Yes, yes.
Ah, oh, okay. So only T. That's your older brother.
No, his name is Totti. Totti.
How do
Totti.
you spell it? Like this? T?
No,
Ah, no.
no.
How do you spell that?
Um, letter O in here. Letter O.
Like this?
Mm, mm. Um, yes. Totti.
Ah,
Totti.
Toti. Oh, is he
Yes.
your older brother? Older? Older than you?
Is my house. It's in my house.
Oh, he is in your house?
Yes,
In
my
your
mother, my mother buy him.
your mother buy or bought him a house?
Um, yes.
Oh, wow, that's so good. You must be so rich. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our lesson that we have last time?
Yes.
Yes,
Teddy, let's learn
ready.
with you. Let's learn with Teddy.
Oh, so cute. What is the name of your teddy bear? What is your teddy
Um,
bear's name?
I think.
Huh? You are still thinking?
Little.
Leso? How do you spell that? Like this? Leso.
Little. It's more little.
How
Little.
little. Oh,
Yeah.
is
His name is
is
Little.
is
It's
is
she. She.
it's she. Okay, she is little. Wow. So cute. Little brown. Little brown. So cute. So it's very relevant. It's very connected or similar to our lesson for today because we are talking about toys, like what you have. Okay, so since we had,
Okay. I have one. One is one I can show you.
oh, can I see? Can I see your toys?
Elephant.
Oh, it's an elephant. Wow. What is the elephant name?
I draw in. I draw in. He had. He had. I
Oh,
draw.
what
I
is
draw.
what is her
I
name?
draw.
Is it a
Her
she or
name
a he?
is she. You
Oh,
don't see a dress. A dress.
a dress. Oh, she has a dress. Oh, okay. I cannot see it earlier.
It's
What
a
is
ballet.
violet
Ballet.
dress?
Ballet elephant. Ballet elephant.
What is
She
her
name.
name? What is what is her?
Ballet. Ballet.
Uh,
Ballet. Ballet.
oh, her name is Violet.
Yes.
Wow, that's a nice name. That's so cute. Okay, so now let's start our lesson for today, Jessie. So since we,
Yay!
yay! So since we already had this word, so we will just first review the words that we have here.
Review.
Yes, review first before we continue the lesson. So what do we call this?
What is
What is
is
this?
a is a dog.
Doll. How many?
This one.
Okay, how do we say it? One.
One dog.
Okay, how about if we
I
have,
have a boo boo.
oh, you have a poo-poo?
Hmm.
Oh no. Okay, now, if we have two, what will happen to the word doll?
Two dolls.
Okay, very good. Two dolls. How about your teddy bear? Your teddy bear little. So we have her name. Okay, we have teddy bear. So you only have one teddy bear.
Uh, one.
Yes. What if we have three teddy bear?
I don't have to.
Uh, you don't have three teddy bear?
In in is next to my bed. Next to
Oh,
my bed. I have three bed. Three
oh,
bed.
you have three bear. Wow. And what shall
Bed.
we
Bed. 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 Bed.
bear? Let's say bear.
B. B. It. The bed.
Bear?
Bed.
Like this?
A
Bear?
bed to a bed to sleep. A
A
bed to
bed.
sleep.
It's next to your
Sleep.
bed.
To sleep. To sleep.
Oh, bed. Like this, bed.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, your teddy bears are next to your bed?
Yes. I have three bed.
Oh,
Three.
you three bed?
Yes.
Oh, really?
One bed in here. One bed in here. One bed in here.
Oh, okay. I see. So what shall we use if we have three bed? Is it bed
Um.
or beds?
Beds.
Okay, very good. So instead of saying three
Um,
bed, we say three beds.
one for my grand, one for my mom and my brother and me, and
Oh,
one for and my dad and my grandma, and one for my grandpa.
oh, that's so lot. That's a lot. So you have three beds.
Yes, one
Oh,
bed is three. My my bed in that is three, and
okay.
one bed in he is two, one bed in he one.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, let's go.
three, two, one. Let's go. Okay, so good
I
job.
just want to let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go take the Tum, 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 tum.
I will get my teddy bear. Wait, let
Oh,
me. I have a
it's
teddy.
real on you.
No, it's not
It's
real.
real.
Wait, let me
Okay,
just
I
get.
want to see. I want to
Okay,
see.
wait me, wait me. I cannot reach it. This one I have.
Cannot see.
Okay, wait. Let me just open. Ta-da! Ah, you cannot see. It's blurred.
Why? Why? What? What? Teddy bear. It's very, 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 very big.
Yeah, it's very big.
No, I have, but big, big, very, 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 very big.
Oh, you have a very big teddy bear?
Yes,
Wow.
in
Where
my,
is
in
it?
my, in my, is
House?
in my house, not in my grandma house.
Oh,
Not in grandma
okay.
house.
Oh, okay.
In my, in my mother, in my dad and my mom house, not here.
Oh, oh, I see. That's why. Can you show it to the when you it's big. Wow. If when you come back to your house, can you show it to your teacher? Can you?
Cannot because
No?
it's on a park. It's on a box.
It's on a
Box.
park,
It's on a box.
a
Box.
box. Oh, really?
Yes. Yes.
Oh
I
no.
have so many teddy bears
Oh,
and animal too.
is it still new? Is it a new
Mm,
teddy bear? Because you said it is in the box, so it might be new teddy bear.
there's so many teddy bears. It has real and not real too.
What is the color of your biggest teddy bear? What's the color? What's the color of your biggest teddy bear?
Real
Huh?
or not real too. So many. Many.
What's the
I have
color?
so many. I have so
Yeah,
many, but it's
it's
she called.
hello? What did you say? You have many teddy bears?
Yes, so many teddy bears.
Oh,
But I
okay.
cannot see your picture.
You cannot see my picture?
Yes.
I also cannot see you. What is happening? Hmm. How about this one? Can you
Well,
see me
I see
now?
you. Well, I see you, but you have to one small and one big.
One small and one big?
Yes.
Huh?
Your
Mine,
ball. I can.
huh?
What is
Wait,
happening?
yeah, what is happening? I don't know what is happening. Okay.
See
Can
already.
can you see teacher now?
But yeah,
Hello?
I
Oh,
see. I see. Uh I put one box. It have a teddy, and I no, it's not a crowd, but it's to make
too big.
a hair. to make her
Oh,
hair.
oh, really?
But I but but I want to have a brow.
Yeah, it looks like a crown. It looks like a crown. I thought it was a crown.
His hair to roll like this, like this.
Yeah, it's
Make it
so cute.
like this. I
Oh,
can a queen. I am the queen. Ah, la, 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 la.
I also have that one. Chinin. But it doesn't look like it doesn't look like a crown. It it's color brown.
It's so funny. But my is
I
it's
have a I have a flower.
it's I have I have a ting ting
Oh,
ting.
bracelet. Oh, I don't have a bracelet. Hmm. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Where is my bracelet?
Or you have?
Oh no. Oh, I only have this one.
Huh?
And then, why is it so big? Wait. Oh, and I, it's necklace. It's a necklace.
but I but but my is O. It's
Huh?
O.
Ah,
It's O.
yours
It's
is
O.
old.
It's O. It is my
My necklace. Necklace.
yes, my next guy is oh, but it's new. He is
Oh,
new. Uh,
oh really?
head is new, but next and brown neck is old. And
Ah,
my mother don't give for me to 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 view um uh, a neck.
okay. I see. Okay, so thank you very much for sharing that, Jessie. So now let's go back to our lesson. Okay, so let's move on. What is this toy? What do we call this toy? What is this toy?
This
This is
is ball.
ball. How many?
One ball.
Very good. One ball. How about if we have two or four? How many ball?
Four, four balls.
Four balls. Very good. So
You have
remember,
a teddy bear in your shirt.
short? I have yeah. Yeah. This is my favorite T-shirt.
Favorite shirt is my favorite. It's like this.
Oh, it's unicorn. Is that unicorn?
No, it's
Ah,
my little D. My little D.
my little D.
My melody.
Ah,
My
my
melody.
melody. Okay, my melody. It's Hello Kitty's friend, right?
Yes, Hello Kitty fan.
Don't you like Kuromi? You don't like Kuromi?
I
Kuromi.
don't no, I don't like because it's very bad.
It's very bad, yeah. Really. Okay, very good. So we have here four balls. So next, let's move on to our
Why?
next toy.
When toy? What is nine?
Huh? What
A
is this
car.
toy? Car.
One
Very
car.
what?
Three car. Three car. One car. Three car. One car. Three car. One car. Three car. One car. Yeah.
Three cars. Very
Yay!
good. Again,
I know. I know. I know. I know.
really, you know? Okay,
I
let's.
just see a picture and
Oh,
say.
you see a picture. Okay. Okay, so
I
again, let's say cars. Cars. Don't forget the S sound at the end if we are talking about two or more things. So
No,
cars.
100
Car.
car.
Car. Oh, you are
100.
hungry? Oh.
100. 100.
100 cars?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Okay,
A
let's say
beautiful hair.
100 cars. 100 cars.
Look, my hair. It's so beautiful, right?
Yes, it's so beautiful. I like your bangs. I also want to have a bangs
You
because
good?
look, teacher's head is very big. My head is very big.
Let's
of
look
My
like this.
forehead. Yeah, I want to
Look like
have that
this.
one. Yes. Who cut your
You
bangs? Who
can you can make a wig. You can make a wig.
a wig? Is that a wig?
No, it's not a wig. It's a real hair. It's a
Ah,
real hair.
it's a real hair. But me,
But
I don't
if you like, if you like, look at me. You can you
use a
can
wig.
make you can make a wig to
Oh,
make.
to make a bangs. Oh,
Yes,
okay. Thank you for the idea. I will order some wig.
my friend do it, and I know.
Oh, your friend do it? Your
My friend do
friend,
that, and I know.
she bought a
Yes.
wig. Really? What color is her wig? What color is her wig? Oh no. What is happening?
It it it's a real hat. It's a real to hair. So she is black, but she wants to make a rainbow hair.
Rainbow hair. Yeah, but that's very beautiful hair. I also want to have a rainbow hair. I also want to have.
Why?
Do you want to have a rainbow hair? Do you
Yes,
want?
I do.
Yes, I also want to
Yes,
have.
I do.
But it might destroy my hair because look at my hair. It's very dry. It's very very dry because I colored
No,
it.
no more.
Oh, you don't want rainbow anymore?
Yes, I like.
It will destroy.
You know what I like?
What do you like?
Người ta nhớ.
What do you like? Do you like
Um,
unicorn hair, purple hair, pink hair, or
unicorn.
unicorn hair? It's also rainbow. Unicorn's
But
hair.
I have one unicorn. It's pink
Oh, you
and
have.
rainbow too.
Oh, really?
In head is pink and here is rainbow. I like that.
Wow, that's so cute. Like this. Let's check. Pink and rainbow hair. Look. Like
I
this one?
can I cannot see a picture. I
Oh, you cannot.
cannot see a picture.
Really? Like
Yes,
this
I
one?
cannot see a picture.
Oh, really?
I can see a picture now. This, I like
Yeah, it's so
this.
cute, right? I want to have that one. Maybe soon. Pink and
Maybe
rainbow
soon.
hair. It's so cute. It looks like unicorn hair. Don't you like a cotton candy hair? Cotton candy hair.
I like this one. I like this one.
Where? This one? With the heart?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Oh, it's very beautiful also, but I like this more. It's very beautiful, right? Pink
I like this one.
pink and rainbow. It looks fantastic.
Yes, I like this one. No, I don't
Yeah.
like this one, but I like this number heart.
Yeah. This one.
This number heart.
This
A heart.
heart.
Yes,
This one.
yes, yes.
Oh, you like that one? Rainbow, huh? Your favorite color is really rainbow.
I,
Okay, that
I think in rainbow, in Vietnam, we say cầu vồng.
how do you say that? Down, down? How do you say?
Cầu vồng.
Go, go? How do you say
I,
that?
I, I this spell for you, okay?
Okay, okay. Spell,
V,
spell.
E,
V,
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 A.
A, V, A.
I don't know. I don't know how to
I'll,
spell.
like this one. Listen to this one. Um,
cầu vồng,
like that.
cầu vồng, cầu
Like that.
cầu vồng,
Câu vòng, câu vòng, câu vòng. Oh no, what is happening? You're like that? Câu vòng, câu vòng. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
câu vòng. So it's rainbow.
yes.
Oh, I see. So I just use Google Translation. Okay, so next, what is this toy? Swa. Your name is Swa, right? Swa? Am I
One
correct?
kite, one kite, one kite, one kite, one
One
kite.
kite. Next.
How many kites?
How
1,
many?
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites.
Okay, very good. So 5 kites.
I want to
Okay.
have a queen too.
You
Oh,
want a
you want
pin?
to have a queen?
I want to have. Can you give me that?
No, no, I
Oh,
can't.
oh no, I'm sad. I'm sad now. Okay. So now let's have a new sentence pattern here.
No,
But I
no, no, no.
no no no. Okay, I think we cannot be able to, what do you call this? Oh, I think
How
this,
many doors?
how
One
many the
door, two doors. I know exactly. Don't say me
there
again.
it's very easy.
I go out. Blah,
Huh? It's still it's still 8:29. Okay. So we have here the question, how many dolls? We ask this if we
door.
you know
So
this one. It's so easy. So we ask this if we want to know the number of the
how
toys.
many doors? One door, two doors,
Okay, very good. That's
three
it.
doors.
3 dolls. Okay. So for this one, I think we will do this activity in Friday or on Friday. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So thank you very much for your time today. Swa, your name is Swa, right? Swa, Jessie? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your active participation today. I truly enjoyed my time every day with you. So thank you so much, Swa. See you again soon.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Bye bye.